Hello students. Uh, Today I want to teach you quadratic equation. About the quadratic equation, decide if the power of variable is 2, means the numbers from 0 to 9 are called constant number, and the a to z are called the variable. If the power of any variable is 2, that is called quadratic equation. Equation y means an equation, this is the definition of equation, an equation always end with 0. So I want to tell you quadratic, start again जी, quadratic equation as here quadra means 4, but here you will see that if the power of any variable is 2, that is called quadratic equation. This is general formula: ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. As in the previous classes polynomials, you have read about the quadratic polynomials, that there are there were two zeros, that in the quadratic polynomial there are two zeros, alpha and beta. Here are also two roots, means in the quadratic those roots are depend upon the discriminant value. What is discriminant value? It is represented by capital D, and capital D is equals to b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. So these roots of the quadratic equation, these two roots of quadratic equation depends upon the D. As first, if D is greater than 0, roots are real and real real and different. Second is, if D is equals to 0, roots are real and equal. Third, if D is smaller than 0, roots are no real roots, no real roots, but imaginary, imaginary, imaginary roots. Means these imaginary roots depend upon the quadratic formula, or you can which you tell that is the Sridharacharya formula. These imaginary values are calculated on the basis of alpha is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So these two values are calculated. Here you can see that quadratic equation, in the this quadratic equation, so ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, because when a will be 0, x will be also 0. So this will change into the linear equation. So ax square, general formula, this is the general formula of quadratic equation, that ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This quadratic equation has two roots. Those two roots are defined on the basis of discriminant. What is discriminant? Discriminant is the relation of the coefficients of quadratic equation. What are the coefficients? A, B, and C are the coefficients here. So D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Now these two roots are defined on the basis of discriminant. You will see, if D is greater than 0, roots are real and different. Second, if D is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Third, if D is smaller than 0, no real roots but imaginary. And those imaginary roots are calculated with the help of the Sridharacharya formula. Alpha is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So about this quadratic equation, as I will tell you, some quadratic. Suppose first first I am taking here if d is greater than 0, how you will see that those are the different quadratic different roots are, how you will see. Suppose I am taking here x square plus 10x plus 16. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 10, c is equals to 16. So d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Here d is equals to 10 square minus 4 into 1 into 16. Here is the d is equals to 10 times 100 minus 16 4 is 64. 64. So d is equals to 36. Now since you will write d is greater than 0, so roots are real and different. How you will see? But I am taking example. What the same the example I am taking here. X square plus by splitting method, middle term splitting method, you will see x square plus 8x plus 2x plus 10. You will make pair here. X in bracket x plus 8 plus 2 in bracket x plus 8. So you will take common here, x plus 8 in one bracket and x plus 2 in another bracket. So x is equals to minus 8 and next x is equals to minus 2. So you have written here that if d is greater than 0, here you will see after calculation of this equation, quadratic equation, x square plus 10x plus 16, after calculation of this one, you will see that d is greater than 0. Here you have written here. So roots are real and different. Different roots are means first root is the minus 8 and second root is the minus 2. So all this about similarly this like second when you will see that d is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal and d is smaller than 0. Next in the next class I will tell you. Today is the first day of the class, so it is my humble request to all of you that you should be in the great touch of education so that you can change your life. Surely when you will be in the touch of the education, you will change your life. And student, thanks.